Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 handheld fans in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading handheld fan that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The JisuLife Handheld Fan Life 7 is here to save the day. With a powerful motor, smart display, and long battery life, let's check it out. This fan features a 12-blade design and an upgraded brushless motor, delivering strong airflow even on the hottest days. Enjoy maximum cooling with advanced engineering built for true comfort. An easy-to-read digital display shows wind speed and battery life, ensuring you recharge at the right time. Stay cool at concerts, weddings, or while doing your makeup. With a 5000 mAh battery, this fan lasts up to 19.5 hours on speed 1. Whether commuting or camping, it's your reliable cooling companion all day long. Use it handheld, on your desk, or wear it around your neck for hands-free cooling. Its innovative flexibility makes it perfect for travel, office use, or daily adventures. Enjoy 5 adjustable wind speeds tailored to your preference. Its 150 degrees folding design lets you place it on a desk, perfect for working, shopping, or outdoor fun. In conclusion, the JisuLife Life 7 handheld fan is your summer must-have. Number 4. The JisuLife Life 9 portable handheld fan, a powerful, high-speed mini fan with long battery life and a sleek pocket design. Let's check out its amazing features. Featuring an advanced 9-blade design and a 40,000 RPM brushless motor, this fan generates winds up to 10 ms, for times stronger than ordinary handheld fans, for instant and stable cooling. With its 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 18 hours of cooling on a single charge. Perfect for concerts, travel, and outdoor adventures without worrying about running out of power. Choose from 5 wind speeds to suit your needs, whether you prefer a gentle breeze or a powerful cooling blast. Easily switch between speeds with a simple button press. Ultra lightweight at 170 g, this mini fan slips into your pocket or bag effortlessly. The included lanyard makes it easy to carry for camping, cruises, or daily outings. Compatible with USB ports, laptops, power banks, and car chargers, this fan ensures seamless charging anywhere. Stay cool anytime, anywhere with a reliable power source. In conclusion, the JisuLife Life 9 handheld fan is a must-have travel companion. Number 3. The JisuLife Handheld Turbo Fan, powerful, compact, and built for travel, concerts, and outdoor adventures. Let's dive into its amazing features. This fan features 2 Vortex Tech patents, Air Turbo and Air Jet, creating a powerful, natural breeze. The optimized air duct design accelerates airflow, giving you stronger and more efficient cooling. With 5 wind speeds ranging from 3,300 to 6,100 RPM, you can adjust your cooling level with a simple button press. Short press cycles through speeds, long press turns it off instantly. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 16 hours of cooling. Charge via USB in just 3 hours using a power bank, laptop, or standard outlet. A high-performance motor ensures strong airflow with minimal noise. Compared to other handheld fans, it's faster, more efficient, and delivers a refreshing breeze at an impressive 4.8 ms. Use it on the go with its lanyard or place it on a desk using its anti-slip mat. Whether traveling or working, this fan is a reliable cooling companion. In conclusion, the JisuLife Handheld Turbo Fan is a must-have for summer. Number 2. The TORRAS COOLiFY EVA Handheld Fan, an ultra-powerful, ice-cooling device designed for travel, outdoor adventures, and daily comfort. Let's check out its awesome features. This handheld fan comes with instant cooling semiconductor technology, delivering a powerful 17,000 RPM breeze. With 100 stepless speed settings, you can adjust airflow for maximum comfort, wherever you go. Weighing just 182 g, lighter than a smartphone, it fits into your pocket or bag effortlessly. With a foldable clip, you can attach it to backpacks, belts, or simply carry it hands-free. With a 5000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 12 hours of cooling. USB-C compatibility lets you recharge anywhere, whether it's a laptop, car outlet, or power bank. A visual screen displays real-time battery life and settings. Engineered for reliability, this fan withstands drops, heat, and everyday wear. Whether at a festival or hiking trip, it's designed to survive spontaneous adventures without worry. In conclusion, the TORRAS COOLiFY EVA handheld fan is your ultimate travel and summer essential. Next time. Number 1. The JisuLife handheld mini fan, a 3-in-1 gadget that's perfect for travel, concerts, and summer adventures. Let's dive in. This mini fan isn't just a fan, it's also a flashlight and a power bank. Whether you're outdoors or commuting, it's a handy device that keeps you cool and connected. Stay refreshed all day. With up to 19 hours of cooling on a single charge, it's perfect for long trips, events, or just relaxing at home. USB rechargeable for convenience. Running low on battery? No worries, this compact fan doubles as a power bank. Slip it into your bag and keep your devices charged while enjoying a cool breeze. Ever needed a flashlight but didn't have one? This fan has you covered. It's a useful little feature for nighttime walks, travel, or emergencies. Use it your way, handheld or desktop. Its 3-stage folding design makes it super versatile, and when not in use, it fits easily into your pocket or purse. In conclusion, whether it's summer, a concert, or a trip, the JisuLife mini fan is your perfect companion. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.